Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the knit crates and I have here two of them. I have the normal membership and the artisan. I don't know which is which, so we're just going to go ahead and start with one, and then in the following video I'm going to unbox the other one. So let's set this aside and let's see what's in here. So as per usual, the knit crate comes in this beautiful box. It's cardboard, it's 100% recyclable. They're very environment friendly company, and that's what I love about them. And this is what the box looks like. There you go. I took my address off. Sorry, I just need to get a pen because I realize I don't have scissors to do this. So finally, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, we're gonna start with, look at that, it's rainbow, modern primary. Explore a fresh look at the familiar rainbow with bold, intense color. Tangerine, grass green, and sunshine yellow play against navy and ultraviolet. Mix and match this month's pigment hues with rich neutrals like caramel, caramel, and stark white for pieces that pop. That's the theme for this month. And on the back you get the patterns and everything else you need in order to download your patterns. Let's see what the patterns are. Oh, by the way, this is KNITCRATE. This is the KNITCRATE membership. It's not the artisan. I will unbox the artisan in the next video. And this is what you get. So you get a cowl pattern, Virginia Salter Kamer. So you get a crochet and a knitting pattern. This is the crochet. It's called yoga socks. I have to say, I'm not that crazy about the patterns this month, but obviously I would love to see the wool because of the color. Let's see, you get two skeins. Ta-da! Here they are. Beautiful soft knitology. Okay, so this is their own brand. In the colorway dashboard, it's 100% superwash merino wool, worsted weight, 180 yards, 164 meters, 100 grams per each, and they recommend that you knit it with 5mm needles. And it also says all knitology yarns are exclusively hand dyed for KNITCRATE, and you get two of them. They're beautiful. I love the colors. I have to say, they're a bit autumny. They're not that rainbowish, I have to say, but they're beautiful. I like them. I think they would do a nice cowl like this one, or you could even do like socks, maybe like chunky socks. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, KNITCRATE. I always love to read the bottom of the box. Why are you looking at my bottom? All the good stuff is up here. But that is the KNITCRATE membership for July. You get two skeins, you get two patterns, and a lot of discounts. And let me tell you about the whole box. So the total retail value for the box is $63, and you get it for $24.99, I'm pretty sure. Each skein is $24, so you get an extra skein plus the two patterns, which are £5 each. So we have the knit pattern and the crochet pattern, and also you get 20% off at Virginia Salter Raymer. That's an R, it's not a K. 20% off in her Ravelry store. And also if you place your first order using the code TEO20, you will also get 20% off of your first KnitCrate order, whether it's a knitting, a membership, or an artisan box, or any box that you get, 20% off with the code TEO20. But yeah, this is it. This is the KnitCrate for the month of July, and I'm excited because August is just around the corner. So next is going to be August, and I promise it's not going to be as late as this one. But I hope you like it, and I hope you get yourself a membership for the summer, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to check all the links in the description down below for all the information, where you can get your KnitCrate, where you can get your discounts, and everything else about me and my channel and what I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!